Welcome to this video on how to analyze a video in PnO Live. To analyze a video, choose your zone of interest. Then click the analysis link. I could open up an old analysis, but in this case, I'm going to choose a new one, a single video. I'm going to filter through the tags, for this instance prosthetics, and then choose one of the videos. Then I'll choose the video I want to analyze. If I click on the thumbnail, I can preview the video, and then I select OK. Once in the analysis screen, the video may take a moment to load. This is the scrubber tool here. I can go forward or backward to play the video. But I also like to use the arrow keys on my keyboard to step forward, back and forth between frames. Now I'm going to use the measurement tool. The first time you use the measurement tool, you'll need to calibrate it to a known measurement. In this video, I'm going to use his shoe size because I know that measurement and it is in the same plane as the action. But it is best to mark 2 pieces of tape on the floor and record that measurement for future reference when you are using the measurement tool. Now I'm using the backwards arrow key on my keyboard to go back to the first heel strike in the video. I'm going to use the dot tool to designate the first heel strike that I see in the video. Then I'm going to step forward with my arrow keys on my keyboard until I see the second heel strike. But I'm going to change the dot color for this one to designate that that's the prosthetic side. Again, stepping forward with my arrow keys on my computer, finding the next heel strike, and changing my dot color back to red to designate the sound side. I will use those dots as reference points for my measurements. So I'll take a measurement between the 2 points on one side, undo that because I wasn't happy with that measurement, and I can also go to full screen to take a better look to make sure that I can see the dots in full view. So using my points as reference for my start and stop point for my lines, I take one measurement and then I take the second measurement as well. Now I can record some notes about that and capture a still image to keep for my records. So I can save that image and that comment for future reference. As you can see, there are a lot of tools, including slow motion, which will slow each of the videos down for you to be able to see a little bit better. But to be able to understand what each of these tools does better, go back to your home screen. Click on the Help tab, and then click on the More Help. This will bring you to the PnO Live support page. Here you'll click on Using PnO Data Live, Analyses, and then How do I know what these tools do? This brings up the name and description and how to use each of the tools. This has been a brief overview on how to analyze a video. To get a complete understanding of PnO Live, make sure you work through all of the videos.